how you can recover your forgotten passwords of your Facebook. Before I teach you guys how to do that, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us just start. Now first what you will want to do is just open up a web browser and search for Facebook account hacked. Now after you do that, you'll see the official link by Facebook right here. Just tap on it. Now here you can see that your Facebook account, what you need to do when your Facebook account is hacked. Now you can use this method when your Facebook account is hacked too, guys. So just scroll down, and right here you can expand this section that says recover your Facebook account if you can't access your current email address or mobile phone number. Now all you need to do is just tap on reset your password. Now after you do that, just scroll down, you'll see several options right here. Now what you need to do is you need to recover your account. Tap on recover your account. After you do that, just make sure that you type in your email, and after you type in your email, just tap on search, and you will have to just select your uh, account. You will be presented with a list of accounts. Just select your account, and after you select the account, you will have to use an old password, and after you use an old password, you will just need to log into it again and just follow through this whole process, and you'll have your old account back. So that is how you reset your Facebook account's forgotten password if you don't have your mobile number, access to your mobile number or your Gmail account. So that is pretty much it, guys. For watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.